We have all been told that 14th of November, the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, is celebrated in his memory as Children's Day, as he loved children. Popular narrative is that the celebrations began post his demise. Mainstream media too, over the years, peddled the same narrative as did our schools, which was shared by the Congressy academicians and teachers. However, this claim is patently false. Here is how the fable started, and yes, it has British influence. England commemorates birthdays of their monarchs and other significant days as Flag Day. Queen Elizabeth II of England on her birthday would raise funds for Save the Children Foundation. Inspired by the same in 1951, one V.K. Kulkarni, who was then a United Nations Social Welfare Fellow, carrying out a study on the rehabilitation of children who had been victims of crimes in the UK, suggested the same to Nehru, who quite gladly accepted it. Kulkarni presented a report to the UN and Nehru's consent was sought for the same. Reports say that while Nehru was initially embarrassed, he conceded to get his birthday celebrated as Children's Day. An international fair was organized by the Indian Council for Child Welfare in 1951, and it was in 1951 that the day started being observed as Children's Day, over a decade before Nehru's demise. Interestingly, India Post also issued stamps commemorating the same when Nehru was quite alive. In fact, there are reports which suggest that children were taught and encouraged to chant Chacha Nehru Ki Jai during the Children's Day celebration. Oh, and that is not all. Look at these visuals. In 1954, Nehru himself was celebrating Children's Day on his birthday. What a grand celebration it was. In quite a cult-like celebration, Nehru arrived to a huge, cheering crowd accepting garlands from all. He then moved to New Delhi Stadium where a huge crowd of about 50,000 had gathered to celebrate his birthday. Remember how in the period dramas, actors playing the role of Mughal emperors would remove the necklace they are wearing and throw it towards the servant who had brought them good news? Yes, so our own Badshah Salamat Nehru also threw the garlands he was wearing towards the crowd to collect. And well, this is the truth. Isn't it sad to grow up and realize that what we were taught in school about our history was nothing but distortion of facts? If you liked what you saw, do like, share and subscribe to the pamphlet.